Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix controller not working in Subnautica on PC. Follow these methods step by step until your controller starts working. Let's get started. Solution 1. First, open Steam. Go to your library. Right-click Subnautica and select Properties. Go to the Controller tab on the left. Find the Override for Subnautica dropdown. Select Enable Steam Input. Now launch the game and test your controller. If it doesn't work, go back and set it to Disable Steam Input, then test again. Solution 2. Open Steam. Click on Settings. Go to the Controller section. Click on Pair and Manage, then find External Gamepad Settings. Now enable only what matches your controller. Enable Steam Input for Xbox controllers if you use an Xbox controller. For PlayStation controllers, try Not Enabled or Enable in games without support. Do the same for Switch or generic controllers. You can also install the Xbox Extended Feature Support driver if needed. Solution 3. Open the Start menu and type Device Manager. Open it. Expand Human Interface Devices. Find your gamepad/controller. Right-click it and select Disable Device. Then right-click it again and select Enable Device. Solution 4. In Device Manager, right-click your controller again. Select Update Driver. Click on Browse My Computer for drivers. Then select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Choose your controller driver. Click Next and wait for installation. Now launch the game and test your controller. After trying these methods, your controller should be working in Subnautica. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.